Welcome to 2022. This video is for you to share with you my 3 tips to creating a beautiful, successful and expansive 2022. But before I will give you my 3 tips, I would love to share something with you, my special blessing for you for the next 12 months. I also would like to say that I don't know if your previous year, 2021, was amazing and fantastic. And maybe it was filled with some challenges, with some disappointments, maybe shock. Maybe you've lost someone. Maybe you lost something. So in order to prepare for the blessing, I would love to send you now a wave of love to dissolve things that you are ready to let go of. I'm sending you a big wave of love to fill every single cell in your body with light, with love, with peace, and to release and let go of, and to make space for the new. Let go of the pain, dissolve the sadness, the anger, the fear, and make space for the new. Now, if you are ready to receive my blessing, please make sure that you sit comfortably. Maybe you can take a deep breath in. Maybe you can stretch yourself. Open your heart and tune in to every word that I'm saying to give it extra power for receiving all those new things that are coming to you, that are on their way to you right now. So, darling, from the bottom of my heart, I bless you with peace, with serenity and acceptance of what's coming. I bless you with powerful connection with your soul and with your intuition, so you know exactly what you need to do and when you need to do it and how you need to do it to manifest the best possible year for you, for your family, and for your loved ones. I bless every single cell in your body with ability to heal itself easily and quickly. And I bless you with ability to listen to yourself every single day, so you stop when you need to stop. You give yourself time for stillness, exercise, joy, expression, love, and self-love. I absolutely bless you with self-love, self-respect, and acceptance of every single aspect of you and your life. And may the self-love and self-respect create amazing new opportunities for you. New friends, new doors opening, new connections, new ideas, new creativity that will fill your heart with joy. I bless every single second, minute, hour, day, week, and a month of 2022 with expansion, with amazing possibilities, with new ideas, with money, with avalanches of abundance. May new opportunities come to you, and may you have confidence to shine brightly and do what you came here to do with power, confidence, and alignment with who you are and what you came here to do on this planet. I bless you with knowing that you deserve the best and ability to let go of everything when you don't need it anymore and move on in your life confidently. And thank you. It is done, it is done, it is done. May your 2022 be the best year you could ever imagine, in every single way, on every single level. And it is done. So thank you for receiving my blessing. And now let's move on to my 3 tips for your best possible year. Now, first of all, what I would like to say to you that I was thinking about this video today, and I was channeling some information, I was writing things down, and I asked, what do I need to share with the person who is going to listen to me, but also what do I need to know myself? And those three things came up very strongly. Number one, it is time for clearing the pipes, blocked pipes, time for very strong connection with your soul. And number three, it is time for setting very powerful intentions and more clear and more conscious than ever before. So let me take you through all those 3 points. But first I want to say that it is becoming very apparent to me and to you, hopefully, that the old ways that we have been living politically, economically, climatically, and ourselves, it's no longer appropriate. It is time for an upgrade, it's time for a change, and it's time to shift and move forward into a new reality and co-create it together. But if we are going to drag along with us the old ways of thinking, the programs of fear, the struggling, the pushing, the fighting, the expecting the worst possible scenario, running around, burning out, not listening to our body, not respecting the pathway of win-win for everyone that we are working with and that we are serving. If we are not going to change something, we're going to bring into this year even probably more suffering, pain, and unnecessary dramas. So before I give you my 3 tips, I want to say that this year, more than ever before, I can confidently say that it is a year for you to make space for your greatness. Prepare for it. But the first point, the first tip is clear the blocked pipes. So in order to do that, you need to have a special device, like one of those things that you can clear your toilet or your blocked sink. So if you have any part of your life still blocked, if you have any leftover trauma that needs to be released, beliefs, sitting in fear, limiting beliefs about not being deserving, every single one of those things will come to the surface and will show up for clearing. So you may actually be anxious or upset or angry. Why is it still coming up? It is coming up because the universe, life, is giving you opportunity to release it once and for all and to go to a deeper place of confidence, peace, and security. I've been speaking to a lot of clients, friends, and what I have been noticing, again, more than ever before, our sense of safety is being challenged. And there will be more of those things coming in 2022. Shifts in finances and structures, political structures, things will be falling apart. Where are we going to find our safety and security? Only inside. But in order to find this, you need to know that there is a place within you that I would call a portal for unlimited potential, a portal for new opportunities, a portal for abundance. But in order to open that portal, you need to come back to yourself. And while you're coming back to yourself, you may find some things that you are not too impressed with. Old beliefs, pain, trauma, fears. And I would love you to, this year, embrace them with love. Lean into them, embrace them, and find your own reliable way or ways to let them go. If you need to ask for help, find someone to support you. But there is so many tools out there that you can use, whether it's tapping or my expansion game, or havening, or somatic experiencing, or other types of healing, dancing, that you need to find your specific tool that it's highly reliable. Because if we experience a shock or a trauma or a pain or a challenge, And it's only the growing pains, it's the expansion, natural expansion that we're going through. Are we going to shrink and freak out, or are we going to lean into it with confidence because we have a reliable way of dealing with it? So I would love to ask you from the bottom of my heart, more than ever before, have those devices that can quickly and reliably unblock those pipes. Blocked energy, fear, sadness, anger, pain, shock, all of that. If it comes up, you're able to go into that place inside you and release peacefully, confidently, and return into your core. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2. It is my favorite, and it is intuition. Become connected with your inner knowing more than ever before. Now, how can you do that? Now, we all have different intuitive languages, and I run courses on this, and I do that with great joy, because all my success that I have experienced in my life has been based on intuition from day one. So I feel very passionate about it. But if you're listening to this video, I know you are very intuitive. I would love to invite you to take your intuition to the next level and create every day space to connect with your intuition. Because if you do, if you create stillness and space to connect with your intuition and ask wise, expansive questions that will lead you to success, it will have positive impact on you, your family, your friends, your clients, your co-workers, and the whole planet. So there needs to be space for intuition. There needs to be stillness, and there needs to be a tunnel. Now, my tunnel, intuitive tunnel, is very wide. And because I use it every day, it is very easy for me to access it at any time. Even when I am in a state of distress, I can go into that place, reconnect with my soul, and I can be there. So use your intuition. Ask very powerful questions first thing in the morning, and use your intuition to expand your business, to expand your health, to expand your peace, and ask, what is my special way that I need to contribute this year to the greater good? How do I need to show up? How do I need to do it so it's in alignment with me? It's in alignment with my soul. It's in alignment with my talents and gifts, so I can do it joyfully and be empowered by it. So there is many ways of tapping into intuition, but the first most important thing is intention to do so, and doing it every day. The third tip is intention. And I've just mentioned the word intention because intention changes everything. But if we're setting intention from anger, pain, and the pipe is unblocked, not unblocked, it's blocked, it may not work so well. If we set our intention with things which are not good for you, because you're setting intention from ego, it may not be the best either, because then we may end up where we've intended, but it may not be good for us. So if you're clear, if you are released and aligned, if you connected to your soul, to your intuition, if you know what's the next step forward, because your soul has told you so, what's the best, most effortless, more easy way forward, if you know all those things, right? Then you sit down and you set your intention. And you work with the intention in a very conscious way this year. From the moment you wake up in the morning, when you're making your tea, when you're going for a walk, when you're going to a meeting, when you're starting the day, week, month, and a year, work with your intention in a very conscious way and be in a good state when you're setting it. Make sure that you give yourself space and stillness to do so. Sometimes 1 minute of setting intention can completely transform your day or your year, in fact, and it is more appropriate to give yourself time to be still than rush around and push forward to be more successful, to be more effective. I think that it is more important to be intuitive, connected to your soul, then be very busy, because the busyness may come from your ego. And when you're connected with your core, with yourself, with your heart, with your soul, and you're acting from a place of alignment, you may be not busy, but you may be very effective. So clear your pipes, have a reliable way of connecting with your intuition, and set your intentions with highest level of connection with your soul. Use the power of love, blessing, which I'm all going to talk about on my course. So now let me give you an invitation. I would love to invite you with a special gift to my course. On the 22nd of January 2022, it is a very auspicious day to set your intention. Very powerful. It's like another portal you can walk through in order to manifest what you want to manifest. And I would love to invite you, because I am going to support you in becoming a perfect match for what you desire, and a perfect match for what desires you. Because you know, the things that you desire from your heart actually want to come to you. They are on their way to you. But sometimes when you're too busy, too dramatic, too tired, too exhausted, too angry, you may be missing those things. So I'm going to support you in being in a perfect alignment, to be a perfect match for those things, and to be able to let go of the things that are not serving you anymore, like fear. We're going to do a practice for that. I'm going to show you my most powerful tools of manifestation, which I've used for my whole life, and I've shared them with thousands of people in my courses over the years. So now I would love to spend that day with you, and making sure that you have the most peaceful, expansive, healthy, successful 2022 when you show up in your full greatness and you do what you came here to do with confidence. So if you've been struggling a bit and pushing too hard and not feeling like you are where you want to be, 22nd of January is for you. If you feel like you will maybe not be able to be there for the whole day, remember it is recorded, so you can listen to it in your slippers and your pajama also on another day. But my gift for you, it's 50% off from the price that it's quoted on my website. So if you want to join me, or if you want to bring a friend, all you need to do is to go to my website, gosiagorna.com, find the course, the year. I would love to have put a special code, GIFT22. And when you put GIFT22, you get 50% discount. And I'm looking forward to seeing you there. In fact, I'm looking forward to supporting you throughout the next 12 months. I've got lots of exciting things in store for you. And I will help you with great joy, with boosting your confidence, with developing your intuition, releasing the fear and turning it into success. So this year could be the year that you look back on and say, wow, what a year. It's been the best and the most amazing year for me, for my loved ones, for my friends, but for the whole planet. So lots of love, sending love and blessings to you right now in this very moment. Thank you for listening, and thank you for sharing this video with your friends. Lots of love.